Hello everyone, this is Jennifer, Happy Scrapper Mama 4. I also have an Instagram account, and I'll link it down below in the description box. I'm back with a bunch of cards, and I'm using this kit from Spellbinders. Also, I'm uploading this video in participation. I'm participating in Jill Norwood's satmornmakes movement. I'm calling it a movement because it has grown into a huge community of just women taking time out of their busy schedules, busy world to do the thing they love, which is crafting. You don't have to upload it every Saturday morning, although the hashtag is satmornmakes. You don't necessarily have to upload it Saturday. You just use the hashtag satmornmakes so that Jill can look for you and thank you for participating. But anyway, she started that hashtag, that community, so that women can do something for themselves. We women, especially moms, especially if we have kids, we tend to forget about ourselves. And so that's what she's advocating, is that we take some time off just to do something that we love for us, for ourselves. And that's exactly what I'm doing. Anyway, I'm using the February 2022 card kit by Spellbinders. There are the contents. There are a number of unboxing videos for this card kit. And there would be Tina, Cards and Coffee Time, Lisa Mears Designs. There is, I think, Crafty, oh my God, Crazy Paper Chick also did an unboxing. I'm not sure, but just look up or type unboxing video Spellbinders February 2022 card kit, and you will find a number of unboxing videos. So let's get on with it. I think I made, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11. It's supposed to be a 10 cards, 1 kit video, but you know what? I'm going to make more because I have so much left. Anyway, let's get on with the first card that I'm showing. This is it. As you can see, these are papers. These two are papers from the paper pack that you get in that card kit. This is a stamp from the stamp set that you can get. So there it is. The clouds will clear and the sun will shine. That's the stamp set that comes with the kit. And then these are just ephemera packs that, I didn't have this outlining here, this tracing, but without it, it kind of gets blended with this paper. So I decided to use my distress ink. It's called Stormy Skies, and I used this, which I got from Ali. And these labelings, I made them. There's even that little thing that you can attach to the blender tool. When I had, back in the day when I had more time to do crafting, I was able to do this. I downloaded this from the Tim Holtz website, Tim Holtz or Ranger, and then I just cut it up and taped it on there. And there you go. And then, what else can I tell you about this? I think that's it. And the insides are blank. And then this is the next card. So this is just paper. There's paper that, because it's so beautiful, you can just cut it up, make a mat, slap it on a card, and there you go. Quick and simple. And this is from it's dimensional. It's from the chipboard stickers. This is from the ephemera pack. And of course I used my favorite crafting embellishment, which is my stardust stickles. All right, I think that's it for that card. All right, and then this one, that's from the ephemera pack, paper from the kit. This is, believe it or not, the back side of that paper. And I cut it with an MFT die, which is this one, the straight one. Okay, that's an MFT die from way back. And that's, again, that's an ephemera pack. This is dimensional. That's from the chipboard stickers, ephemera pack. This is a die that is, uh-oh, I didn't take that out. Hang on. Oh, it's this one. It's from the Spellbinder. So I don't use just alley dies, you guys. I got it for cheap from a previous clearance haul from Hobby Lobby. So that's this one. Or maybe it's, yeah, that's this one. Okay. So that's that card. Oh, and this is from the Waffleflower. From the Waffleflower A2 Lacy Layers die. Okay, and that could be that size because it's smaller. And then this is from, this I believe is from, oh my God, I forgot her name. I'm sorry, but that's that die. G, it starts with a G. And she has her own website for dies and stamps. And then this one is another card that I made. That's a chipboard sticker. It says sending my love. Oh, this is a direct copy from the inspiration pack that they give you. So that's this one. I just copied it. See? So this is a chipboard frame that came with the kit. These are just ephemera pack. That's an ephemera pack. That's an ephemera pack as well. And that die comes from that Waffleflower A2 Lacy Layers die. This is a direct copy. I scrap lifted this from Lisa Mears Designs. She uploaded a 10 cards 1 kit using this kit, and this is one of her designs. Of course, it, you know, she had it straight. I did it as a curvy hill, and I just hand cut that. And then with this, I just used the tracing wheel, which this is Anna White's recommendation. So I just ran it through there. And so I made that stitching line. And this is an ephemera pack, ephemera pack, ephemera pack, and that again is the stamp. So this is just paper from the kit. And this, I don't think Lisa used purple. I did because it's raining, you know, purple clouds. Does that make sense? Anyway, this is my own layout. This is from the chipboard stickers, and everything else is from the ephemera pack. Okay, and then the die that I used to cut this globe paper is this one from MFT. Oh, I'm sorry for the glare. And then this one. This, as you will notice, does not have a sentiment because I just couldn't decide what sentiment to put. But, you know, when I get to that point where I'm going to use it, I can stamp a small love you there or love you down here, or I can say miss you or miss your smile somewhere. So, you know, I'll decorate it, or I will put the sentiment. I will put the sentiment when it comes time to use it. So these are just papers from the ephemera. I mean, from the paper pack, and this is from the ephemera pack, and this is just a strip that I cut out of my, you know, my gold cardstock. And then this is another paper that you don't really need to do so much to it. Of course, I used gold stickles right there, and that's this one, Golden Rod. And I used half flat back pearls that I got from Ali, and I store them in these Dollar Tree little containers. And then this, I embossed that with gold. What did I use? Oh, gold detail embossing powder. And I used this stamp right there, that sentiment stamp. Hold on, let me get that embossing powder. Hang on, sorry about that. I used this. It says super fine detail. I don't know if you can see that. Super fine detail. And that's what you want to use when you're using stamping small letters like that. And believe me, that's very, very small in person. And that's it. And that again is the die that I showed you earlier, or did I show that already? It's this one from Ali. Okay. And that paper right there, the mat, is just from this mat stack that I got 10,000 years ago. Okay. From Joann's. That's it. And then this one is another, you know, just a cluster of ephemera die cuts from this came from the ephemera pack. And I love when they give you sentiments that you can just paste on, because those that know me know that stamping is not really my favorite. That's why you'll notice that I do a lot of ephemera card making. Because it's, you know, it's all about quick and easy with me, but still elegant and nice looking. So these are flat back pearls from Michael's that I got years ago too. I can't remember when, but it came in this package. And then I love that, you know, they come in different sizes. Let's see if there's a year here. I don't see a year, but yeah, that's from Michael's. And these are just papers from the paper pack. Last one is this one, ephemera, this and this. These are stamps from a Stampin' Up! Stamp set. And that's this. I created a shadow underneath them. And then these are the grass that I put here. And this paper, I love this paper because it looks like water. And so I made them float there, but I made sure to put a shadow, and that these again are from the Michael's, you know, that pack. So, but let's see. I think I forgot to mention something. Hang on, let me look for hold on a moment, please. Where is that? For this ink, I used this VersaFine Clair Twilight. I think it really picks up that color in person. And I used this embossing powder. This is old. This was my first jar of this a la mode clear embossing powder that I got from Joann's. And then for the ink that I used on those swans earlier that I used to stamp this, I used this Altenew, these two inks. What is that? Forest Glades. Oh, Forest Glades and Frayed Leaf. And so just to have a color gradient. But anyway, thanks for watching, you guys. That's it for me. I'll probably be making more out of this kit because I still have so much left. I will show you how I see that. That's let's see if I can adjust this. This is how I lay out my ephemera so that I know, you know, what I have and what I can put together. And then I still have so much, like I said. I didn't show you the dies. Comes with this die as well that I didn't even use. It comes with words, die cut words right there. And I still have a lot. Oh, I forgot to show you this. This is something that I bought a long time ago. It's like, I'm sorry I can't show you it fully. It stands on this and it, you know, wiggles out. And according to the color of the bin, I put the pinks and reds and oranges here of the finger daubers, and then the greens and blues. Oh no, the blues I put here. The yellows, the hues that are yellow are here. So for example, so for example, with this one, oh, the oranges and the pink and the yellows are here. Tea dye, you know, that hue is in that. So I know where they are. And please don't ask me where I got this because I don't remember where I got it. So, but it's a neat storage, and believe me when I say I haven't used this in a long, long time, maybe 5 years. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.